crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel today. It's an exciting day. We have the new Gina K Designs release items for February 2026. I did purchase, I did break up my order into two so that I would be able to get the both incentive sets. There's two new incentive sets and there is a little bit of a paper pack. I will go through a little bit of housekeeping first, so if you are not interested in that, feel free to skip ahead to when I'm going through the unboxing information or the tour. But as far as the housekeeping goes, I will list everything that I'm showing today in the description box and over on my blog at egidesigns.com. And if you are watching on a television, I will put up top a QR code that you can scan with your phone camera or your tablet, and that will take you right to the list of things that I'm showing today. The best part about a new Gina K release is that everything in the previous month is now available. So in this case, we had that huge mega kit that was available last month, and now that is all broken up and available for individual purchase. And also excitingly this month, the items that were in the 12 Days of Christmas box back from December are all available now as well. And I will list all of those items for you down below and on the blog. In order to get an incentive set over at Gina K Designs, you need to spend $75 in product, and then a little pop-up will come up and it'll say, do you want this one, this one, this one, and you can choose what you like. For the stamp sets that are incentives, they do have coordinating die sets that are available for purchase, so just make sure if you want that you add that to your cart as well. Alright, let's go through. First I will show you the incentive sets that are the stamps this month. So we have Bright and Beautiful. Look at this floral. This is absolutely gorgeous. A lot of, here's to bright and beautiful days ahead. You are such a bright light. Hello, I really miss you. Just very uplifting sentiments. And then this one is so super cute. It's called Birthday Pals. It's got adorable little friends here. And then for the birthday boy or girl, and there's a little hat that you can put on the critters. So that is super sweet. Here are the dies for this one. And it will cut out everything in here. And then here are the dies for this one, which will also cut out everything in here. I do have my overhead light turned off just so to avoid a little bit of the glare. So I apologize if it's a little bit dark, but I thought that would be a little easier to see. Okay, so I'm not sure where to even start. I think I will start with the thing that I'm most excited about. Dun, 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 dun! The Gina K brush bucket. This is very exciting. It has 30 slots on it, and you get a brush bucket and the carousel. So you get the little Lazy Susan, and this is what it looks like. So you got all those spots. It's got a little cutout here, and then it comes with the Lazy Susan to put on there. So this will spin. I would highly recommend, I'm going to be attaching mine with red line tape. A lot of people do a lot of different ways. This is just super sticky tape and it'll stick right onto the bottom of there. So I just wanted to show you, so these are the original Gina K brush holders, and you had 10 spots, and then you had some things up here that you could put, glue or pencils or whatever. So I wanted to show you the size comparison. So this one is actually doesn't take up, it's not like a huge amount of extra space. It's only like a little smidgy more, but you get to put your little teeny tiny ones in here. You get to put the big one and you get to put the little one, and they're all together on the same one. This is like super duper exciting. What I had been doing was I had one for my big ones, I had one for my little ones, and then I have a little pot for my little ones. So this is going to save a whole bunch of room on my desk, and I am pretty excited about that. I'm going to load these up and I want to show you what it looks like. Alright, I went through and loaded this up. So I have all of my Gina K brushes in here. So we have the big ones, the little bit smaller ones, and then the very small ones, and they can all be together in this brush bucket family. So I'm pretty excited about that. That's awesome. That'll be a huge space saver. So alright, let's get back into it. Where were we? Okay. So we have a bundle. This one is called Daisy Delights. You can take this out. And this one is a stencil, an embossing folder, and then it has 2 dies that go with that. And look at how gorgeous this image is. And this will be so easy to color with these stencils. Just awesome. I wonder how many are in here. It feels like a lot. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 coloring stencils. And these are so easy to line up. And I just love that when there's the coordinating coloring stencils for these embossing folders. But this is a gorgeous folder. I cannot wait to create with that. Alright, and then our second bundle, this one is called Gorgeous Bloom. And again, we have the embossing folder. There's a die. So this die cuts out this huge bloom. So you could layer that on top of that to give a little bit more dimension. This stencil set does not feel like as many. We shall see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one has 4. You can kind of see what the image looks like a little bit through the I think it's easier for me to see where I am. I apologize. So this again, easy coloring stencil is going to line up perfect. What I would recommend is doing the embossing folder first and then the stenciling, because the stencils then kind of lock into the image. It makes it very easy to line up. All right, let's see next. This is the small number set. There are additional set that is the small alphabet, and these also come in a larger set. So we have large numbers and large alphabet. So those are available as well. But these are really cute just to have, you know, if you want to do a happy birthday or anniversary card, to have, you know, really a really nice number set. And it's got the money sign, a percent, and a you know, a pound sign or a number sign also. All right, so that is available. Then we have this bundle, which is called Mini Magnolias. And look at that. Like, that is absolutely gorgeous. There's so many gorgeous floral things in this release. I just love it. Alright, so this one. So here is the die. And then we have the stencil set to color this in. And this has 4 as well. So that is awesome. And you can kind of see on this illustration how it's got the 2 toned effect, and that's the stencils will get that for you. For this one, to get these lined up correctly, I would either stencil this all. Actually, I'd probably cut out first and then stencil it, because there are some spaces in between with the when you're hooking the foliage to the flowers, and if you don't cut this first, then that could be off just a little bit. So that is probably what I would recommend for that one. Alright, and then this is the final set that I got for this release. There are a ton of other things from the other designers and everything. I just wanted to get the things that I really wanted to get. And so this one will be a great addition to anybody's collection. This one is called Speedy Recovery. And this, you know, whenever you need to send those get well kind of cards, I find I don't have very many things in my stash for those. So these are just super sweet sentiments, you know, sending prayers, wishing you a fast recovery, get well soon, take it easy, get well wishes, sorry you are under the weather, you've been on my mind, thinking of you, sending well wishes for a speedy recovery, sending love and hugs, sending caring thoughts and hugs, I hope you feel better soon, hang in there. And you have the tissue box and a little flower mug, you got a prescription bottle, a band-aid, some soup, and you even have the steam for the soup and a little heart. And here is the die set for that. It cuts out everything. So you can have an amazing set. So if you have to send somebody get well soon, or, you know, recovering from surgery or things like that. I will be making some projects coming up with these items from this release. So if you're not already subscribed or notified, please click those buttons so that you can be notified as soon as I put out a new project. And I'm excited to work with these, especially this gorgeous bloom. Oh, so good. And if you enjoyed the unboxing video today, I would love it if you could hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And here's all the goodies and our little brush bucket. So excited about that. It's the little things, right? And if you want to stick around to the end, I will put my card making playlist so that you can check in with that and see additional card inspiration over there. And I will also put my Gina K unboxing list playlist. In that unboxing playlist, it does the monthly releases, the card kit walkthroughs, and it also in there has my 12 days of Christmas box unboxings. So if you missed any of those days and you want to see what products were in there so you can think about purchasing them now that they're available, that's in that playlist. Also last month's mega kit video is in that playlist. So if you want to go back and check out any of those old unboxings, you can do that and see what's available in the store right now. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.